So here we have the Toyota Yaris 1.5 Hybrid Sport Automatic on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got plenty of boot space, which can be increased with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. The seats are in fantastic condition, as you can see. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the right hand side we've got the fuel gauge, in the middle we have the speedometer and the total miles on this car, which are 17,186, and then on the far left hand side it will show you whether the car's batteries are charging, whether you're driving economically, or whether you're using the power band on the car as well. Down where the trip computer is, or where the total mileage is, you can change by pressing this button the information that's displayed there for various different bits of fuel economy information, like miles per hour, miles per gallon, and all that kind of thing. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo controls, and then the main stereo system itself is over in the center here. So you can see straight away that this car has got DAB digital radio. There's various buttons down the right and left hand side that you can press that will bring up various different settings. Once you've done that, it all becomes touchscreen. So you can see that this car has got AM and FM radio as well as DAB digital radio. You can also stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. So once you pair up a phone, you can make and receive phone calls, but you can listen to your music as well on top of that. And there's a second screen, and on that second screen they're greyed out because it's not plugged in at the minute. We've got an iPod connection and USB connection, which are one of the same thing essentially. Working our way down from there, we've got the dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the fan speed in the middle, temperature for the passenger side and driver side, turn the air conditioning on or off from there, or hit auto and the car will maintain those temperatures for you. And then beneath that we have a 12-volt charging socket underneath this cap, and underneath there we've got the auxiliary and USB input for music connections. And then lastly we have a fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.